What's up, everybody? I'm Daryl.
And I'm Marie.
And this is DM's Mix Up. Alright, we're going down the other part of the trail. There's actually a pond right over there we're going to have to try to check out.
Absolutely.
And you can see the water from the river over there. And this goes all the way down. That trail there goes out that way and then comes out to this one.
Now the beautiful part is we found out that the property was owned by a local family. And they decided to donate hundreds of thousands of acres to wildlife preservation. How can anybody be so wonderfully generous? It is gorgeous in here. I can't say I've seen a cleaner park or recreational space in a long time. A turtle shell.
It's the bottom of a turtle shell.
It sure is.
That's cool. You can see
That's
how
been
it's
cut.
grown on the inside.
That's been cut. Somebody harvested.
Well, maybe somebody likes turtle soup.
Hey, food's food. Food is food, as long as we're not wasting.
Yeah. Looks like we can't get to the pond. There's marsh grass all the way around it, and it's super soft at the edge, so there's no way to get to the edge to do any fishing. Maybe around on the other side.
I can't even be mad. It's too beautiful.
Watch out for those holes.
Look at this. Somebody seriously sank in.
Wait.
Somebody seriously sank in. Look at that. But why? Hey,
Oh yeah, they drove. They
backed
drove
up.
in there.
Looks like they backed up.
I don't know. Maybe they were dumping something.
Because it's a really drive. It's beautiful.
Come on.
You can tell that back there is deeper than up here.
Put rocks in here to fill in. That's the way we came from. That's the way we're going for now. We found a really cool clearing. The pond that we were looking at is right over that way. The road we came from is that way. But somebody was here. They had a fire. They probably had a tent set up, which is kind of what we were thinking. Set up a tent and maybe hang out for the weekend or something.
Water from the little pond over there, dear. Comes straight across here. It splits right here and comes around this way.
So we came to another fork in the road. We can go right or we can go left. This looks like it was the driveway at one point for whatever they used to do here. So we're going to follow it first. Then we'll come back and go down that way. Looking at the Google Maps photos, that's just a dead end with a little circle at the end.
I believe there was tracks over there.
But I feel like there's going to be a dock or something, or used to be, down this way, because I feel like they picked up the goods from the dock down here and drove them up to the buildings, the broken down buildings, and then from there they did whatever with them. Looks like there's a nice open field down here at the end.
Exploration.
Okay, so this just looks like an open field. It may have been a building here at one time. This might actually be a good spot to metal detect. Watch the
Potholes.
watch the potholes. There's several of them.
I am part of the grass.
Are you hiding?
Not part of the grass.
There's a hole there.
Looks like an ear passed down the main.
No idea, but there's the road continues on past.
That was a good one.
You know what that looks like? That looks like an underground bunker air hole.
Yeah, right. Maybe that's why it looks like a hole.
No one getting
It-
jumped.
Nothing else makes sense for that to be here in the middle of nowhere.
And it's padlocked. Interesting.
Definitely will be interesting to metal detect this. Hopefully we can find out if someone owns it or if it's public property that we can metal detect. because that'd be super cool.
Well, it was donated by the Huns, but I think Wildlife is managing it, but who actually owns it is up for question.
Alright, so the path narrows. Now we get to see what really is down here. I think right on the other side of those marsh grass, there's water.
I'm not much bigger than you.
It's kind of wet here, so. Oh, look, there's water actually in the thing there. I don't know how far down here we're going to be able to go because there's mud.
Lots of mud.
Mom just like. Okay, well, remember when Mom said there was
The end of it.
lies? No, it's not.
I mean, we could keep going, but we might get stuck in the mud.
And water.
Alright, well, that's what that is. Maybe at one point that's kept going. See if maybe I can get an aerial photo. Of the area and see. May have just done fishing back here. There's a tire buried right there.
Midget is coming. Doesn't even feel like a flat.
Yeah, it's pretty set in there. It's been there a long time. It ain't coming out.
It's weird. I think it's good. Leave it there. Definitely a lot of animal trails through all this bushing and stuff. Bunny rabbits and things. That's some concrete right there. We're walking down the other side now. It's just a circle down at the end here. Maybe around that tree, but we'll find out. Interesting. Look how it's sunk in right here. Look how it's sunk in. And like the tree roots.
The ground got saturated and the tree almost fell over.
The question is, what was there before? You know, if I remember correctly, there's a path right over here somewhere from the aerial video. Back up. Let me in there before you go in there.
You can't blame me for wanting to explore.
No, I can't. Just watch your step.
I'm watching it, but you seem to like destroying it. Oh, cool tree. Well,
I'm just trying to make sure the ground's not wet. It's wet. This is all grass back here. I mean, you got the overgrowth, but underneath is nice Nice grass.
Wait, I have one.
Watch out for the briars.
I'm just trying to find out where my pockets were. Not anymore.
You can actually see where the deer and stuff have tracked through. There's grass and stuff under these trees. So this used to be grass. All of this.
Cool.
I can't remember.
We found trees. That have grass. Open pathway technically.
So I've actually walked back in here pretty far from where we were. Came from that way. But this does not look natural to me. There's grass everywhere when we're surrounded by the marsh stuff. And then of course these trees. It looks like they were planted a long time ago. I don't know, see if I can find anything. I found a broken bottle and an old soda can. There's an oil container, it looks like. Laundry detergent. Concentrated whisk. Interesting. Oh, there's a bottle. And of course it's right next to somebody's droppings. Come here. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna see if I can get it. That's super cool. I don't know how old it is, but it says log cabin right on the bottom. Log cabin. So log cabin syrup. It might actually be newer because who knows, been squatting back here. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like a round pad cushion or something. Looks like an old bottle. It's got a design on it. It says no deposit, no refill. It's got a 170 on the bottom. Found some sort of metal pot. It looks like it's filled with something. It won't move though, it's heavy. Super heavy. I could probably move it if I use both hands. Reached about as far as I'm gonna go without any kind of aid like a machete. Looks like I could get down in there with them trees. Looking on the map, it looked like there might have been a graveyard back here. That's why I was digging. Trying to get back here. You see the trees in that direction? It was based around those trees. I feel like I'm almost right on it, but the ground is soft. And of course I'd have to fight my way through. I'd rather not do it by myself. I already came through most of it. So, I'm gonna head my way back. Maybe this will be an adventure for another day. Look at that. Tomato plants. Maybe this was a garden at one point. Some over there, it looks like. tree fell down.
Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content.